Hi folks, just wanted to show off a little something I built. I thought I'd try my hand on at some algorithmic trading, which is automated trading in the stock market. Pardon the congested voice. A really strong flu this year, as everybody knows. So basically, using this Quantconnect allows you to backtest, and basically I'm going back in time and testing whether this strategy with this robot buying and selling, what it would have done and if it would have worked or not. So took one of my strategies that I've had for a few years, typed it in Python into this algorithm. So my first shot at it, you see this respectable return, 227%. Let me get this one running already, okay, because it takes a little bit. Okay, here we go. So again, a respectable 227% return. You can see I went from January 16 to almost January 18 to 2 years, and a nice return. After doing some analysis of the data, little adjustments, you can see here that was in the 53 percentile, or better than 53% of the community of algorithms. And then after some adjustments, here we go, and this is what I came up with. So here we go, it's starting, and the bot is buying and selling stocks automatically every day. Again, backtesting, going back in time. Obviously, look ahead bias is not allowed here, which means you can only use information that was available at that time. Obviously, you could go back and you know which stocks, and with hindsight, did well, and you could just pick those, and so that isn't allowed. This has no look ahead bias. This is running the strategy just as if you would going forward, without quote unquote knowing the future. So here we go. It's just buying and selling, and we've reached over 2,000% return here. It's very nice. Now that it finishes, it's going to calculate a little bit. So yeah, here we go. There's a very nice curve. Reached at the end a net of 2,200% return over that. You can see this even includes broker fees, which are quite significant. You see over 100 grand in broker fees, and worked really nicely. You see now that the algorithm is ranked in the top 1% of the community. And as soon as I ran this, I actually got a nice email from them. So it's pretty cool stuff. And just wanted to show that off, actually, since I had to teach myself Python to write this. Thanks, cool cat. Let me know what you think.